if you're a lady, I don't want to talk too much. If you're a lady and you are seeing my video in this app, go and get this bra. Let me show it very well. Can you see it? This is not Nigerian made bra. Are you seeing it? Go and get this bra. I don't want to talk too much. This is size, this is 80C. So if you wear 80C, right, go and get this bra. I don't want to talk too much. So it is a front buckle bra. Can you see? Let me show you very well. Can you see it? So this is a front buckle bra. Let me show you how to style. This is how you style it. The bra is exactly as you are seeing it in the picture. So the bra is exactly as you are seeing it in the sample picture, as you can see. So this is the front buckle or button that I used to hook it together, right? So these are all quality bra. These are all quality bras. So go and get yours, okay? It's available in 80C. I think there are other design. Okay. So get it. Look at, see the back. These are quality bra. This is not Nigerian made now. These are quality foreign trade bra. Can you see the cup? So go and get it. It's available in 80C. What size is this? 80C.